review the progress in implementation of new social welfare schemes introduced by central and state governments, namely PM Swanidhi, Jagannath Todu, YSR Cheyuta and YSR Bima. Let me present a brief notes on these schemes. PM Swanidhi scheme was introduced by the central government to bring relief to the street vendors under orbit of Atmanirbhar package. In this scheme, street vendors will be provided affordable working capital of rupees 10,000 rupees. Free loans under this scheme. The loans to be disbursed to savings bank account of the borrower upon production of the bills or submission of self-declaration ensuring the end use of the funds. The loans may be covered under CGFMU or CGTMSE in all eligible cases. Government of AP has identified the beneficiaries and details are uploaded in the APP along with the simplified duly filled loan application. Government of AP has issued smart ID cards with the QR code, etc. Bank branches will receive the physical applications of identified beneficiaries through village and ward secretary staff, and after completion of preliminary scrutiny, they have to log in the app which was already provided. The user ID and passwords are already shared, and a decision of sanction or rejection of the applicants has to be made within 7 days of the receipt of the application. As of now, branches have to make approvals only received by the branches. Permanent women welfare scheme, 75,000 will be provided to BC and minority communities in 4 yearly tranches. Channelize these funds, providing technical support and linkages mark this scheme with the existing limits. I request all the banks to beneficiaries under YSR Cheyuta duly appointed in true spirit. Now I request our Honorable Collector, Sri Samuel Anand Kumar Garu, to address the House. Thank you. Coordinators to advise all the branches for speed up the process and approve all the LNUs among the scheme upon the beneficiaries. Progress under this scheme is not up to the
holding you up. If you tell me if you have any problems, please tell me so that we will be able to sort it out. 16, just 416. Union Bank has at least done 1,000, but you have not done 7.
No, sir.
And we never have a latest figure. Next 10 days, I think we should make special efforts to clear this pregnancy. We must be conforming to the rule guidelines. Every bank, at its own management committee meeting, must prescribe how to go about this. That they have already done. And I believe most of the banks have already done this. Because this is a scheme that is being monitored by the finance minister herself. She is coming tomorrow. But not immediately. Is she having a review with all the bankers tomorrow?
EFS, not only in EFS at apex level, it is being reviewed by the finance minister to all
tomorrow, I
the
think she is not having a review meeting with you tomorrow. You are lucky. Okay. Right? Yeah. So please concentrate on this and complete it as soon as possible. Bank of India and other dignitaries on the dais and all the officers who have come here to participate in today's meeting. I welcome you all and a very good morning to you all. Yeah, I noticed that these 3 schemes have actually been commenced by the bankers. I'm happy about that. But again, the progress that is expected of you, I think is not coming up. Anyway, we will review. While we review, I think we will give you some advice. As far as this PM Swanidhi is concerned, all of you know that this is there to support the street vendors in all the municipal areas. And the progress as such, if I see, I think is not very encouraging. Because this is announced under this Atmanirbhar scheme. I see that there are still about total registered at 15,400 and 12,451 are still pending. this is very picked up, of course, 9,622 they are picked up. It is only about 62.48% of 15,400, and logged in are only 2,829, and sanctioned are 2,780. Disbursed are a mere 668 of the whole thing. Even if you take picked up applications, this is a very minute percentage of the picked up applications. Still pending are about 12,451. They logged in minus the registered minus the logged in. Yeah, but I don't know why so many things are pending. In some cases, they have not even done even 1% of it. And the major banks, I am also concerned here about the major banks' performance. Major banks being the State Bank of India, the Union Bank of India, and the RRB, Chaitanya Godavari Gramin Bank. Of course, Indian Bank and Bank of India also have registered and picked up quite a few applications, but they have not yet logged in nor sanctioned. So, Union Bank of India, the regional head of the Union Bank of India is very much here, and percentage of disbursement is only 39.58. You still have a huge number of 4,017 pending. So I think the regional head will advise all their branch managers to actually sanction all these.
In my opening remarks already, I have made a note that the PM Swanidhi scheme is not picking up.
Yeah, that's right.
Again, because adding to that now